guys.
This is my Mima.
And this is Arella.
It's time for QA.
Yeah, for today's video, I have a question for Arella. So, we can check how smart she is. Smart ka ba?
Yeah, 100%.
Did you learn a new word today? Naghahanap din ako ng questions. Sige, tell me 3 words that you learned today. Something new to you.
Retina.
Retina. Okay.
In the
What's okay, so
Socket is the place where you put the eyes.
what?
Socket is where the place you put your eyes.
Tawag dyan, sakit ba
And
yun?
then,
Talaga ba?
yeah, and optic nerve.
What's that?
It's all from the eyes.
Okay. So, ano?
It's in the retina is in the very back of our eyes. It's a retina. It has an accent. Retina. As fast. Retina.
Okay, parang may pinanood kang video about eyes.
No, teacher, I discuss.
Okay. Discuss, dear teacher, discuss.
Science teacher. Shout out to teacher Angeline if you're watching this.
So it's all, ang pinag-aralan niyo pala today is about eyes. So you learned something about our eyes.
Yeah.
What else? Actually, naka 3 words ka na.
I
Can
have
you
to-
share something that you learned?
Okay, wait. I'll show you a picture. Wait. I'll get my tablet and show you a picture. What does the retina look like?
What's the purpose of retina in our eyes ba?
It's like wet, diba? Our brain. In the retina, it thinks it looks like upside down, but the brain is correcting it. Okay.
Ang hirap
What?
na science.
Daddy.
Okay nga, I mean, did you learn that, what's
What
the
does retina mean?
what's the purpose of retina?
Eyeball cells. This is
Based on teacher.
This one is this one is the optic nerve,
Mhm.
retinal veins, retina, and then there's no iris, cornea, lens, then this I can't say it. Choroid, sclera, retina, optic nerve. This is the look in our eyes.
Yeah, that's what's inside
And fun
our
fact,
eyes.
the thing is our eyes is the same shape of the eyeball. This is what it looks like.
Kasi,
You can search it.
yung eyes kasi,
And
parang
this
yung
one,
front.
And then, you know what this is?
Hmm.
This is the pupil. Pupil.
Okay. So, did you discuss,
Yeah.
did your teacher discuss what's the purpose of each part? No, not yet.
So, this is the detached retina.
I'm asking you, discuss ba ni teacher what's the purpose of every part?
Wait, I'm looking for something.
Okay, sige,
You see this, right? This color part, I forgot what it says. Wait. Wait. Detached retina eye. Retina tear, wait. The front of the eye. The front of the eyes picture. The front of the eyes picture. Okay. So, look. This one is the surface of the eye. I forgot this. Sclera is the white one. Pupil is the black one. Iris is the colored part. Want to see? Eyelid, iris, pupil, sclera.
Okay. Science kami ngayon. Okay, thank you for sharing your thoughts, Arella. Pero ako, nakalimutan ko na yan kasi elementary days pa yan. But anyway, so keep on studying
And then after
mga
that,
kids,
we
ha?
study the ears. Before we studied the ears, but we're gonna study the very back of the ears.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Alright, thank you for sharing it with us. And also, thank you for watching our video. Bye. God bless.